As you can see here, the two gentlemen are putting on the safety seal for the salads and dips. This machine is making sure the lids are on tightly so not to be contaminated. This gentleman is packaging them in a box. This box is going down the belt to the warehouse. As you can see, this is the production facility and workers of Jimmy's. As you can see here, the gentleman is using a pallet jack to lift the salads and dressings that are packaged to move across the warehouse. This is a spanning view of the warehouse. As you see here, she is packaging the single-serve dips into the box. This scan of the facility shows other boxes being ready to ship.